Um, you know what weed is good for? Weed is good for making you realize that this destination that we're fucking rushing to get to, that we're thinking about, that we're trying to plan for, it's here. It's not. Stop fucking trying to get somewhere and make the absolute most. Like, I will teach you how to make the absolute most of a moment. Is what I was just realizing. Is the difference. When I first got the job, I was like, I have to figure out how to work when I don't have a boss in the way that I have to work when I do have a boss and a job and a paycheck and all that shit. When it's like clear, like this is what I have to do, then I flip that switch and I don't allow my vibe to go below 11. But when I don't have to do that, my vibe is like so much more careless. Like I'm very I allow myself to like debate shit, to like get caught up instead of like, dude, get to work. Get to work. There's lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds. I get so much resistance from behind. Make me stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Better feel for the heat. 1,000 people in the streets, singing songs and carrying signs. Mostly they fucked that up too. They're taking everything away from us. Uh-oh, but Gear, you got fun. Let's get to it. Paranoia strikes deep. Life. He's like, I'm ready, motherfucker. I don't know what you're talking about. Step out of line, man, go home and take you away. I think we'll stop here. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going. Stop here. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.